Have you ever wondered what the difference between paid social media is and organic social media? I'm gonna take you guys to the Whole Foods of social media, and we're gonna figure this out right now. When it comes to organic social media, what we are referring to is just uploading content to social media. That is you as a consumer uploading a video to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, LinkedIn. That is going from a normal account to being uploaded to be consumed without any money put behind it in advertising. When it comes to paid social media, what this means is that someone is going inside Facebook into Ads Manager or Instagram or X or fill in the blank, TikTok, and they are setting up an ad campaign. Now, when you do this, you can run a custom campaign where none of your followers will see it, and the content that's put there is only viewable on paid, versus content that you put up on organic is visible to everyone. Unless your profile is private, then only people who follow you can see it. But the important distinction is that you can also run paid ads on your organic content. So let's say you and I upload a video, it was not a paid ad video, it's doing really well. Well, we can go in and boost this post, which means it'll usually give you the option right there to put more money behind it so more people see it. Or we can turn it into an ad campaign through Ads Manager, which this would look like us setting up the timeline, how long we want the ad to run, how much we want to spend every day that it goes out to people. And this is an excellent opportunity to get more viewership from content that you know is resonating well. The difference maker is on if you are promoting a product or a service. You wanna be getting a sale for this. Sure, you can do audience growth campaigns. This just helps your audience grow. I believe your audience is best growing organically. It doesn't mean that it's bad to put paid behind your organic posts. It just means once you start putting money behind it, it will tell Instagram that you are here to put money behind it. And if you stop, you could see your performance go down because they wanna keep making money from you.
How can I get you to stay?
Money.
Yeah, we all want money.
But it is a great way to get a new audience if Instagram or Meta or any platform is not recommending your content. Organic social media is when you upload something directly, you're not paying for the visibility, you're not paying for views. Paid social media is when you are actually creating a campaign that runs as an ad.
Money.
We've done another video on the ads library. You can easily see what other brands are doing with the ads library. I love using this feature to help inform even organic content, because if it's worth putting money behind, it may be worth making for free. Two other important terms that you guys will hear me reference and other creators reference is the term whitelisting, and then also influencer collaborations, or UGC. What happens a lot of times in the world of paid ads is that maybe they want to target your audience, but they don't want the ad to come from them. They want it to come from a creator. And that's where, if you're a creator, you'll hear someone ask a question like, hey, do we have permission to whitelist this? What this means is they go into a creator's page and then they start running the ad from the creator's account versus the brand account. So this is where you have a creator running an ad as themselves, promoting to go to a website owned by a brand. And a lot of times the brands will pay an extra fee to be able to do this through the creator. They're paying the ads cost for the platform, and then they are also paying the creator for ability to use their face, use their name, image, likeness, and their audience to run an ad to them.
If I were...
Money.
The last term is user-generated content, UGC. This is when a brand is paying a creator to make a piece of content, and then they will use that piece of content in an ads format. They can put this on organic, but a lot of times it's just an ad that goes out to a specific audience segment. And so they're going in there saying, hey, we want to reach 35-year-old moms in this area with this baby product. then they go out to 35-year-old mom creators and say, hey, we're looking for ladies like you guys to make videos. Would you guys be down? We have the scripts ready to go. They pay the creators a fee, just a flat fee for ownership, and then the brand uses that video content to use as advertising. And so that is whitelisting and UGC. The last thing that I'll talk about here, just a brief amount, is influencer marketing. This is when a brand pays a creator to post organically. And we do a lot of that work here at InnerSquare, but it's kind of outside of this realm of paid and organic. It lives in the organic land, which is where we tend to live, because you're actually posting through their audience. Yes, you're paying a creator for their awareness and for the content they make, but you're not putting any other ad spend behind it. And if you did, it would turn it into an advertising campaign through Facebook, Meta, or other platform. But I love this model. It's one of my favorite ways to spend money on advertising, because these creators are building so much trust. They have demand in the comments a lot of times. You can see exactly how much engagement they're getting through views, and it's really important to find ways to reach them. And I think that there is a unlimited amount of creators who would be able to create for your brand. The problem is you just have to coordinate all the back end details. For anybody needing that help, we are here to help you, as well as anybody needing help creating content for organic or for paid. InnerSquare, my brand, we will also help you do that. We help brands all day long do just these very things, and it makes it a little bit easier when you're trying to juggle so many different initiatives. And so if you need help creating content or advertising content, there's a link down below for you guys for InnerSquare. We'd be happy to help you with that. If you have any questions when it comes to advertising or organic social media, please leave a comment down below and I will be in there personally answering them. Thank you guys for watching this episode, and we'll see you on the next one.
Money.